Today, we explore the epic evolution of Polish tanks forged through invasion, survival, and innovation. We break it down into three defining eras that shaped Poland's armored legacy. Started with the interwar and World War II, 1918 to 1945. Renault FT. Manufactured and modified on Polish soil, these French legends became Poland's first true armored backbone. In 1920, they helped halt the Bolshevik advance, proving that tanks could decide the fate of nations. Throughout the interwar years, they formed the heart of Poland's earliest armored battalions. WB-10. Polish engineers produced two distinct prototypes, with this version using a full track system to push through mud-choked forests and trench-scarred terrain. Mechanical flaws plagued the heavy machine, steering the army toward more reliable foreign designs, but the ambition was undeniable. TK3 Tankette, Poland's first mass-produced armored scout. Tiny, fast, and deadly when used correctly, these machines vanished into forests and struck from ambush. Hundreds were deployed to scout borders and support infantry as war loomed. DKD, an early self-propelled gun ahead of its time, a light cannon mounted on tankette tracks designed to bring mobile firepower into dense forests. It showcased Poland's innovative response to sudden invasions. TKW, a rare leap forward. This tankette featured a rotating turret, something most designs of its class lacked. Though it never entered mass production, it marked a crucial step toward modern armored thinking. TKS Tankette, the refined evolution of the scout tank. Stronger engines gave crews the agility to outmaneuver invading German formations. During the tragic September campaign, these machines became Poland's most numerous line of defense. 7TP DW, a twin-turreted variant built for infantry suppression. Two machine gun turrets raked enemy positions, clearing paths for advancing troops. DW stood for dual turret, a uniquely Polish approach to battlefield dominance. TKS-D, a specialized tank destroyer prototype. Armed with a 37mm anti-tank gun, it was designed to hit far above its weight, small, stealthy, and lethal. 7TP JW, the preferred combat version. Its Bofors cannon could pierce any light German armor it encountered. JW meant single turret, and this tank fought fiercely in the defense of besieged Warsaw. PZINZ 130, an amphibious light tank prototype designed to swim across rivers and lakes without support, a shockingly modern concept for the late 1930s. 4TP, a fast, lightweight reconnaissance tank meant to replace outdated tankettes, better protected, more capable, and built for speed. 10TP, Poland's cruiser tank dream. Using Christie suspension, it flew across open terrain during trials, clear proof that Polish engineers were racing toward modern mechanized warfare. 7TP, the pride of pre-war Poland, one of the first tanks in the world to use a diesel engine, offering superior reliability. In 1939, it outfought German light panzers in direct combat during the opening weeks of the invasion. 9TP, an up-armored evolution of the 7TP, tougher, stronger, and intended as Poland's future armored spearhead. Only a handful existed when war froze production forever. TKS with 20mm NKM, the legendary cockroach of the Polish forests. This tiny scout, armed with a 20mm cannon, could destroy Panzer IVs. One crew, led by Roman Orlik, took out multiple German tanks, proving courage and ingenuity could still defy overwhelming odds. Next, the Cold War, 1945 to 1989. T-34-85. Post-war Poland built these icons at local factories. They served for decades, and Polish craftsmanship was often praised as superior to original Soviet builds. T-34-85M1, a modernization improving the engine and internal layout, keeping the veteran relevant in a changing battlefield. T-34-85M2, further upgrades added new equipment, better communications, and night fighting capability for a hardened classic. T-54, a new generation, thick armor, a powerful 100mm gun, and a fearsome presence across early Cold War Europe. T-55, an improved evolution with NBC protection against radiation and chemical threats, one of the most produced tanks in history. T-72, the late Cold War standard, low, fast, and deadly, armed with a 125mm gun and built under license in Poland. T-72M, a simplified export version, still highly effective and rugged. T-72M1, enhanced frontal armor made it more survivable against modern anti-tank weapons. T-72M1D, the command variant, fewer shells, more radios, allowing commanders to lead from the front. T-55AM-era, a uniquely Polish upgrade. Domestic fire control systems and reactive armor turned aging tanks into modern threats. T-55AM-S, a mine-clearing variant fitted with heavy plows, essential for breaking through defended terrain. T-72 Wilk Wolf, a modernization testbed, featuring laser warning systems and improved protection, laying groundwork for Poland's future armor independence. Last, with the modern age, 1990-present, PT-91 Twardy, Poland's deep domestic overhaul of the T-72. Featuring Irawa reactive armor and Drawa fire control, it proved Poland could build modern tanks on its own terms. PT-91M Pendekar, an export variant with a powerful Western engine and transmission, showing Polish armor could compete globally. PT-91X, a high-tech demonstrator packed with advanced electronics and thermal imaging. WPB Anders, a modular combat platform, light tank, IFV, or support vehicle. Flexibility built into steel. PT-91MA1, incremental upgrades focused on electronics and crew comfort, keeping the fleet combat-ready. PL-01 Concept, a futuristic stealth tank mock-up that stunned the world. Radar-absorbing panels and thermal suppression hinted at Poland's vision of tomorrow's battlefield. PT-16, a proposed modernization featuring a NATO-standard 120mm gun, aiming to fully integrate Polish armor with Western forces. PT-17, a sensor-focused evolution developed with international partners, maximizing accuracy and battlefield awareness. T-72M1R, a cost-effective modernization adding thermal sights and modern communications to aging hulls. Leopard 2 PL, German steel, Polish brains. Upgraded with modular armor and modern optics, it stands as Poland's most powerful armored fist today.